What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Traxxas Maxx, widebody Max, and the Traxxas Max Slash. Yeah, what I did with the Max, previous videos I rebuilt this, and today I added the VXL system, 6S system in my Max, and I wanted to see how it would hold up. And I just threw this in as an extra. It's not really a versus video, but just want to get these rigs out, run them. Let's get into it.
Round one.
Test with the Max. And then we're going to pull out the Traxxas Max. See which one is the fastest. Should be the Max Slash. Yeah, I'm having a little... Yo. Yeah, the steering is wonky now after that thing came out. Knocked out my nav and everything. Oh boy. But let's check that speed. Alright, we got 47 miles an hour. I think I can do better than that. All right. That is 47 miles an hour. 47. Sure my nab's in there. We're gonna pull out. We're gonna pull out the Max Slash. Now we got out the Max Slash. See what speed we get out of this. Still something wrong with the steering. Now we got a delay. What's wrong with this steering? Alright, let's give it another shot. Add the tires where it really ain't gonna hook up. Yo, this car. Let's take that speed real quick. I'm not gonna. All right. $56 miles an hour, not bad. Imagine if I had the handling under control. Let's give it one more shot. 57 miles an hour. You know what I mean? So.
Round 2.
Yeah, this thing, man. You can tell it's power in there now. Whoa. Yeah, this park is really got some big boulders in here. Max is taking him with no problem. Grass is getting high again. I was just here the other day, it wasn't this high. That was a smooth crash though, very smooth. Yo, I'll definitely gotta get me a damn ramp, cause this is getting on my nerves. Oh wow. And the funny part, I ain't give it full throttle yet. Whoa! Yeah. I try to ease into the brakes with this. Yeah, this grass is way too high. I did have a fifth scale out here, the X Max, last time I ran out here. I want to see if I could do a side wheelie. Yeah, this thing is a beast. I'm proud of my work. my little work here. I don't know why I keep dropping in this grass as hot as it is. Say what you will, I haven't had a problem with these electronics since I got them, not even the servo. You see my steering is pretty good. I believe I got lucky because I did have problems with VXL systems in the past. It was mainly 3S. I had the problem with the older models. These seem to be a little better off in holding up. I'll say that part. And for power delivery, not at all. I think Traxxas need to up their game in that department. Like, go back to Castle or something. But yeah, to be honest with you, you can upgrade. You can have the best factory systems in cars, right? And people still gonna upgrade them. So I guess Traxxas look at it like this: but you're gonna upgrade anyway. So we're gonna keep the systems that we put in there as cheap as possible, which makes a lot of sense. Oh, see, that's the thing about these tires, though. I don't need this thing running me over no more. Yeah, the Max definitely handles back here a lot better. Yeah, it's like, this is not made for this. It's made for loose gravel though, and not these rocks. That's a big difference. Real big difference. Very big difference. These rocks are about to make me fall. Yo. There's too much back here. And she all over the place back here. It ain't the car's fault though, it's a lot of rocks. It's not loose gravel, it's loose big ass boulders out here. And then Traxxas more controllable on loose gravel like this. When I get back there, that's when we had a problem. Yo, that rock hit me in my neck.
Game over.